welcome back to another Trendy Talia video. My name is Talia, for those of you who may be new here, bringing you all of my favorite trends from the beauty and fashion world. And today I'm going to be sharing with you all my favorite girly things. Let's get started. First category is going to be fragrance, and before I start off I do want to say that I am burning a Bath & Body Works candle in the scent Cactus Blossom. This candle has been burning for a couple of hours now and it smells amazing in here. It has a nice fruity floral scent to it and it just smells so wonderful. So this is my favorite home fragrance scent for summer this year. As far as my favorite girly body fragrance scent, I have Victoria's Secret Tease. I also have it in another travel size body mist and lotion. And this scent smells so wonderful. It's hard to explain the scent, but it's a nice, sweet, romantic smell. And every time I put this fragrance on, I get compliments from everyone, whether it's my mom, my husband, just random people when I'm out and about shopping. They'll stop me and ask me what fragrance I'm wearing, and it's Victoria's Secret Tease. Just smells so good, and it's been an all-time favorite of mine. And then I also have Britney Spears Fantasy, and this is a throwback scent for me because I used to wear this in high school, and this is another one of those scents that just smells so good. It has a nice fruity sweet scent to it, and I like that it's not overpowering, but you can definitely smell it. Like if you walk by someone, you could definitely pick this scent up. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. But yeah, I've been wearing this scent ever since I was in high school. I stopped wearing it for a handful of years there. But then I remembered it a few months ago and I was like, ooh, I kind of want that scent back again. So I purchased it on Amazon and it came with a shower gel, a lotion, and the fragrance. So another favorite girly scent of mine. It's going to be a whole video of me just like, that smells good. Yeah. Next up is my favorite girly nail polishes, and I have two here. The first one is by HANSEN in the shade SMARTEASE. I'm currently wearing it on my nails right now, and it is my all-time favorite pink nail polish. It's so pretty and princessy and girly, and this is one of those gel nail polishes. So I wouldn't say it lasts, weeks at a time, but it definitely lasts up to a week without chipping. And it's just the perfect shade of pink, so I absolutely love it. Another one of my favorite girly nail polishes is also by HANSEN. It's not in the gel formula, and it's called Let Snow. It's just a basic white color, and what I love about wearing white nail polish is that it goes with anything you wear. You could be wearing any color, you could be wearing a rainbow, and your nails are always going to match your outfit. So especially in the summer months, I love having white nails and a nice little tan going on. So these two are my absolute favorite girly nail polishes that I definitely recommend. As far as my favorite girly skincare items, I have three to show you. They are all by Garnier Skin Actives in the Rose Water collection. So I have the Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer, as well as a Cleansing Milk and a Rose Water Soothing Facial Mist. And not only do I love the packaging because look how cute and girly and princessy these items look, but they work wonders on my face. So the cleansing milk is what you want to start off with first. You apply it on your face, and you apply it with a dry face, and then you wash it off, and it leaves my skin feeling so soft and smooth. And then I apply the moisturizer to my face. I will say that this is a thick cream, so you don't want to apply too much to your face unless you're wanting to use it as a face mask, which you actually can use twice a week. It suggests that you use it, and you just apply a thick layer on your face for 10 minutes and then wash it off afterwards. As far as a hydrating facial mist, that's exactly what it does to my face. It just brings extra hydration to my face, and it smells wonderful. The whole collection smells like rose water. So the next category is favorite girly makeup, and the first product I have to show you is my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. Now this is the eyeshadow palette that has all those cute pink shades. So it looks like this. You have some lighter shimmery pinks as well as some matte pinks, and then it just goes darker and I accidentally dropped this makeup palette a few months back and I'm so sad, so I have to be careful with it, but it is a favorite eyeshadow palette of mine. That is Girly. As far as blush, I have a little sample size NARS blush here that I got from Ulta for my birthday. I am not too fond of the shade name for this blush, so it starts with an O. We're just going to call it O, but I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in it. It is a beautiful pink color though, and it has little gold specks in it, and it's by NARS, so definitely a favorite blush of mine. And like I said, I got it in a sample size item because it was free from Ulta as part of like those free birthday samples they pass out on your birthday month. But when I do finish this, I plan on buying a regular sized one. I have a new favorite mascara, and surprisingly, it is not the Lancome one that I am forever talking about and the last handful of makeup tutorials I've been doing. But I'm trying out Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. And oh my goodness, I love this more than the Lancome one. Not that I didn't like Lancome Monsieur Big, because I absolutely loved it. But what I love about this mascara is that it makes your eyelashes long and volumizing, but with each stroke you do, there is absolutely no clumping. Like, no matter how many times I do a stroke over and over on my eyes, it does not build up and clump. It's waterproof, it's smudge proof, it doesn't flake. It's a beautiful mascara. And then for favorite girly lip products, I have two here. One's a lipstick, one's a lip gloss. For the lipstick, this one is by Revlon and it's called Gentlemen Prefer Pink. I just love the name, it's so cute. Here's what it looks like. It's a beautiful bubblegum pink color. I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now, and it's just super girly. I love it, and when I apply it, it's moisturizing on my lips. And then as far as the lip gloss goes, I have Essence lip gloss. I believe this lip gloss name is called Friends of Glamour, and again, it's just a beautiful sheer pink lip gloss. I'm gonna apply some right now. What I love about this lip gloss, well, two things I love. First of all, this lip gloss was either $2.99 or $3.99 at Ulta, but it's not one of those sticky lip glosses, so you can apply it and it's not going to stick to your lips and your hair's not going to get all caught up in it. So it's a beautiful pink color that I absolutely love. Now we are going to talk about favorite girly movies. First up, I have Mamma Mia, the first one and the second one. Here we go again. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love these movies. It is a musical movie, so I will say there's tons of singing in this. There's a bunch of songs from ABBA, and yeah, it takes place in Greece, so the scenery is beautiful and the storylines are just awesome. There's humor in it and romance and super girly. The other movie I have to show you guys is Cinderella, the live action remake from Disney. What I love about Cinderella is no matter how mean and rude her evil stepmother is and her stepsisters are, she's just so kind and so nice, and I feel like I can relate to Cinderella on so many levels. Not only am I always cleaning, but I live next to a church and the bell for the church is always going off every hour on the hour. So every time I'm cleaning and the bell goes off, I'm like, cue the Cinderella music. But yeah, I just relate to Cinderella on so many levels, and I'm all about kindness and treating people with kindness and being fair, and it's just a beautiful movie all around. So as far as favorite girly TV shows go, I have two. First one is Gossip Girl, and the second one is The Carrie Diaries. Both of them you can find on Netflix. They are so good. Unfortunately for both of them, there's no more seasons coming out. Gossip Girl had completed the season. The Carrie Diaries, after 2 seasons, it got canceled, which I'm so sad, and I don't know why, because it was so good. But both of them take place in New York City. They have a great storyline. Gossip Girl just kind of has a ton. I want to say there's 7 or 8 seasons. There's just a ton going on with that TV show. As far as the Carrie Diaries go, both seasons took place in high school. Carrie is an intern in the city, and she's actually doing a fashion intern, so there's definitely a lot of cute outfits. I believe it takes place in the 80s too, if I remember. So There's definitely some cute 80s fashion going on in that TV show. And then yeah, with Gossip Girl, it's just preppy Upper East Side. And there's drama in that one, there's comedy, there's romance, and also with the Carrie Diaries, there's romance and comedy. So I definitely recommend 2 of those shows if you're looking for something girly to watch. Now moving on to my favorite girly activities. I enjoy shopping, of course. What girly girl doesn't enjoy shopping? Going to the mall, you know, shopping for clothes, shopping for handbags, shopping for makeup, shopping for home fragrances, body fragrances, all sorts of things I love shopping for. So that's one of my favorite girly activities that I enjoy doing. And my second favorite girly activity is baking. And no, I'm not talking about baking that you do when you're doing your makeup. I'm talking about actual baking in the kitchen. I enjoy making cupcakes and cakes and muffins and ice cream cakes, all sorts of things. I actually find baking quite relaxing. Whenever I do it, I can just really focus on it and get in the zone. I take my time. And maybe that's why I'm so good at baking, because I actually really enjoy it and I just take my time doing it, and it always comes out so delicious. And lastly, to talk about my favorite girly YouTubers, I have 2 that I'm going to be mentioning. So the first YouTuber I have to mention goes by FREDDY My Love, and she's somewhere out in like the United Kingdom, I believe. But she has such great taste in girly fashion. She does fashion vlogs on YouTube and a couple of travel diaries as well. She does do a little bit of makeup here and there and hair as well. But she's one of my favorite YouTubers to go for like girly inspiration in terms of fashion. And then there's also fancy vlogs by Gab, also known as Gabby DiMartino, who also has a channel with her twin sister, Nikki and Gabby. But I love Gabby's videos because not only does she do fashion and makeup and try on hauls, but she also does entertainment style vlogs. So she'll do like 24-hour challenges in her limo. But her vlogs are so fun to watch and she's super girly. So those are my top 2 favorite girly YouTubers. And I definitely recommend checking them out if you are into watching girly YouTube videos. But that includes everything for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching me talk about my favorite girly things. I had so much fun filming this for you all. And if you decide to try any of these girly items out, let me know what you think down in the comments below, because I would love to hear from you all. And if you guys have any video requests too, please leave them down below, because I am interested in doing requests as well. I hope you all have a magical day, and I will see you next time. Bye!